what is a maintenance box, and when and how do you replace your maintenance box? Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this video. Hey, what is going on? The printer guy here, and in this video I wanted to talk to you about what a maintenance box is, when do you replace it, and how do you replace it on your Epson EcoTank printer. Now, if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. All right, so there will be video chapters down below this video, so you can skip around to different parts of the video if you need to, but I always recommend that you watch the entire video. Also, there will be product links for the maintenance boxes that I end up talking about in this video. Those will be linked down in the description below and pinned in the comments. All right, so first of all, what is a maintenance box? A maintenance box is basically a device that is essentially just a plastic box that has cotton pads in it. That's really the most basic way to understand it. Some people call it maintenance box, others call it maintenance pad or ink pad. And basically what this maintenance box does is it collects ink. Now, there's a lot of reasons why ink needs to be discarded from the printer, but it does, and this is where it goes. Now, one really big benefit of using an Epson EcoTank printer is that you have this function, because you're able to keep your printer running for longer and able to print more because of this feature. So basically, when your printer does maintenance, so essentially when you hear the printer running and you're not sure really what's going on, typically that's a maintenance cycle that's happening. And basically what the printer will do is push ink through the system, so that way ink is constantly flowing in the system, and that excess ink has to go somewhere. The same thing when you're printing. There is excess ink that comes off of the print head when you're done printing, and that ink needs to go somewhere as well. And there's other reasons why there would be ink that needs to be discarded. Now, this ink cannot be recovered. Once it goes in the maintenance box, it is done for, and it really just needs to be discarded. That's the function of the maintenance box. So it raises the question of does the maintenance box need to be replaced on your Epson EcoTank printer, and how often does it need to be replaced on your Epson EcoTank printer? And the answer is yes, your Epson EcoTank maintenance box does need to be replaced, and I would at least check it every 3 to 6 months manually. That's pulling it out, taking a look at it. If it's really full and gunked up with ink, why not replace it? Get ahead of the curve. And other times you will get a message on your printer screen that your capacity on your maintenance box is totally full or is reaching its full capacity. Now, I don't fully trust the device, and that's one tip that I really want to share with you in this video, is that I would highly encourage you to check the maintenance box for yourself. Now, for some Epson EcoTank printers, it's at the back left corner. For others, it's right next to the print head inside the printer. That's for the larger Epson EcoTank printers like the 16600. But the majority of your maintenance boxes are going to be at the back left corner. In one rare instance, it might be on the back right corner. It's really just a panel that's at the back of the printer, usually on the left and potentially on the right, that you would just slide that panel off. Sometimes you need to remove a screw, and you're able to have access to the maintenance box. Now, the maintenance box may be held in by another Phillips head screw, and those are very easy to remove so that you can replace your maintenance box. Now, there are 3 of the most popular maintenance boxes linked down in the description below. The number one most popular is the T04D1. There are so many printer models that are compatible with this model, especially the new Epson EcoTank printers that have been released, the Epson EcoTank 2980 all the way up to the Epson EcoTank 4950. Best printers, we sell the T04D1. That's the product that I'm linking you to. All right, so the next most popular one is the L3110. And then lastly, we have the C9345 maintenance box. We also have some other maintenance boxes, and really all you have to do is you can use any one of these links. These links will take you to Amazon, and you can type in your specific printer model and then type in maintenance box and just verify that the maintenance box you're looking at is compatible with your printer. So any maintenance box that you're looking for, use the links down below, even if it's not the specific maintenance box for your printer, but always check. You're most likely going to need the T04D1. That's the very first link down in the description below. Now, along with these maintenance box links, we also sell ink that is compatible with many of the Epson EcoTank printer models. That's going to be 502 and 522. This is a universal dye-based ink, and it's going to be a very high quality ink. So that link will be down below below as well. All right, so to replace your maintenance box, you simply will take the panel that's holding in the maintenance box, slide it off. You're going to take out your old maintenance box, and then you're going to put in your new maintenance box. Now on Amazon, you do have the option to subscribe and save money when you subscribe, and you can set it for 3 to 6 months, so that way it's a reminder for you. And you can always cancel if you check your maintenance box and you don't need it. You can cancel that order. It'll just remind you at the next interval. So that's a really nice feature that you could potentially use. But basically, yes, so once you've installed your new maintenance box, you're going to slide that panel back on, replace any screws that you may have removed along the way. And then next, you're going to go into your settings under maintenance and check the capacity of your maintenance box. Ensure that it's reading as new. Now, there are some instances if you're getting a code on your printer or you're getting some kind of message popping up that you're reaching your maximum page count capacity, you may have to reset the waste ink counter. So that means when you replace your maintenance box, realistically, you should be resetting the page count, but really you would have to use a waste ink counter reset code. I do have a lot of videos in a playlist entitled WIC or chipless, and those instructions can help you with most Epson EcoTank printers to get that code, and you'd have to purchase it, and that will reset the waste ink counter, which is what needs to be reset when you are replacing your maintenance box. All right, so that's everything you would need to do to replace the maintenance box on your Epson EcoTank printer. Remember all the product links down in the description below. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. If you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. But that's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.